introducing. So today we discussed about the topic is rectifier. Rectifier means it is an electronic device. It converts alternating current into direct current. So that means rectifier it is used for the whenever we conversion of the alternating current to the direct current, then we can call it as a rectification. So here we are applying the continuous signal. That continuous signal we can call it as a AC signal. When we are applying this AC signal to the rectifier, so rectifier output we are getting the pure DC signal we are getting. That means negative half is clipped off. Negative half getting the zero value. So you can observe here. So here the continuous signal is sine wave signal. So positive half of cycle, negative half of cycle. Again positive half of cycle, negative half of cycle. This signal we are applying to the rectifier. Here output only getting the pure DC signal, but we are getting the negative signal is zero. So then we can call it as a rectifier circuit. Rectifier classified into two types. First one is half wave rectifier and second one is a full wave rectifier. Now we discussed about the half wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier in the sense only we are getting the output is during half of the cycle only. During negative half of the cycle, voltage value will get the zero value. Okay. So coming to the operation of this half wave rectifier. So in this half wave rectifier we use 230 AC voltage and 50 Hz of the frequency. And two transformer is using, first one is primary transformer and second one is secondary transformer. And one diode is using, and through load resistor only we are getting the output. First in this input voltage is continuous wave signal, that is sine wave signal. So this sine wave signal first I am using positive half of cycle and next negative half of cycle. First operation point of view, first I am using positive half of the cycle. For positive half of the cycle to the apply the primary of the transformer, same will be we are getting the output here to secondary of the transformer, that is positive and negative value. When it is positive during positive half of the cycle, plus and negative. Same will be applicable to the secondary of the transformer, positive and negative. So here is input voltage is positive and diode polarity is positive. That means same polarity. Whenever the diode polarity and whenever you are applying the input voltage is positive, same polarity, so then diode will be act as a forward bias condition. Forward bias condition in the sense this diode will be act as a short circuit. So short circuit means through diode only the current will be flow. So through resistor, RL resistor, we are getting the output. So that means during positive half of cycle, we are getting the output, that is DC output. So like this. Okay. Next time we are applying what is that? Negative half of the cycle. So negative half of cycle, I am applying here primary of the transformer. Same, that means negative and positive will be the polarity. Again in place of place now I am applying negative and this one is a positive. Now secondary of the input is what is that? Negative polarity. Diode polarity starting is positive. That means these two are the opposite polarity. So opposite polarity means this diode will be act as a reverse bias condition. Reverse bias condition means this diode will be act as a open circuited. Open circuit means there is no output is obtained through load resistance. That means negative half of the cycle output will get zero value. So this is negative half of cycle, output is zero. Again what is that? Again positive half of the cycle. So already we are getting during positive half of cycle only we are getting the output like this. Again during negative half of cycle voltage value V is equal to 0. Like this. So this is about the positive half of the rectifier. Thank you. Coming to the full wave rectifier, already half wave rectifier is completed. So half wave rectifier, so in half wave rectifier we are using only one diode. In full wave rectifier we use two diodes. So that is diode D1 and diode D2. Okay. Now same. So input is, first I am applying operation point of view. First I am applying input voltage positive half of the cycle. So positive half of cycle, first primary of the transformer, next same will be applicable to the secondary of the transformer. So now positive half of the cycle means first polarity is positive, then after negative. Same will be applicable here, positive, and here is negative. Now you can observe secondary of the input is what is that? Positive. Diode first one polarity what is that? Positive. That means polarity is same. So this diode D1 will be act as a forward bias condition. Forward bias condition means this diode D1 will be act as a short circuit. So through diode only, through resistor RL we are getting the output. That means during positive half of cycle also we are getting the output. Coming to this diode D2, secondary of the input, secondary of the polarity is what is that? Negative. Diode D2 polarity is what is that? Positive. That means opposite polarities. So opposite polarity in the sense this diode will be act as a reverse bias condition. Reverse bias condition in the sense this diode will be the open circuited. So that means in positive half of the cycle, what is that? Diode D1 is a forward bias condition, diode D2 is a reverse bias condition. That means during positive half of cycle only we are getting the output through diode D1. So during positive half of cycle also we are getting the output. Now I am applying what is that? Negative half of the cycle. So negative half of the cycle, now again same, negative half of cycle means first one is negative, then after is positive. Now you can apply negative and positive. Primary of the transformer, same will be applicable to the secondary of the transformer. Now you can change the polarity, negative and positive. Now you can observe secondary of the first one polarity is what is that? Negative. Diode D1 polarity is what is that? Positive. So what will happen? This diode will be the reverse bias condition. Diode will be the reverse bias condition, that is this diode will be the open circuited. So D1 is the open circuited. That means reverse bias condition. Okay. Now you can observe diode D2. So secondary of the transformer, second polarity is what is that? Positive. Diode D2 polarity is what is that? Positive. So same polarity means this diode will be act as a forward bias condition. Forward bias condition means diode will be the short circuit. So through resistor RL we are getting the output. So that means D2 is a short circuit and this D2 is a forward bias condition. Through negative half of cycle only also we are getting the output. So like this. Again during positive half of cycle also we are getting the output. So during negative half of cycle also we are getting the output. So that means in full wave rectifier, during positive half of cycle also we are getting the output. During negative half of cycle also we are getting the output. Why? Because in full wave rectifier we use the two diodes. In half wave rectifier only we are using one diode. Only during positive half of cycle only we are getting the output. During negative half of cycle only we are getting the output is 0. So that's why half wave cycle only we are getting the output. That's why we can call it as a half wave rectifier. So this full wave rectifier means during positive only we are getting the output. During negative half of cycle also we are getting the output. That's why we can call it as a full wave rectifier. Thank you.